Wow, beautiful morning to you guys. Okay, thank you for tuning into my channel. All right, today is gonna be a splendid one. But before I continue, I would like you to click on the subscribe button, the red button below. Okay, then click on the notification button too, and also like and share too. All right. So today I'll be showing us how to make some simple beads like bangles and the rest of them. So stay tuned to my channel and watch carefully. Okay. Right, that's a nice one. Love you guys, and then enjoy. Alright guys, welcome to my channel. So before I continue, if you've not clicked on the subscribe button below, do that quickly as we continue. So these are the things we'll be using for the bangle bead we want to make. Alright, so these are sand beads. These are sand beads of different colors mixed together for the. Then this is a stopper. We use it to lock the bead on the fishing line so it doesn't lose off. Then these are scissors for cutting off the fishing line. And then this is a plier for knocking this stopper. Alright. Then these are a hook for the bangle. And then lastly, these are a fishing line. We'll be using 0.30 millimeter. Alright. So watch carefully, you'll be learning a lot. Alright, so welcome to my channel once again. So we kick off. Okay, alright, so before I kick off, if you've not clicked on my YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button. Alright, so what will happen, I'll be starting up with the fishing line. We'll be getting the measurement that we need for the bangle. So first of all, I'll take it around my finger, my hand. Alright, so these I'll be doubling it into two. That's it, I'll be doubling it into two to get the measurement. Alright, I've done that. Okay, so as I do that, I use the scissors and I cut it off. Okay, alright, so next we'll be putting the hook into the fishing line, and then we use the stopper on it. Okay, so we use the stopper to hold it. Alright, so we start putting our beads into it. Alright, so I feel the beads in the fishing line till it got to this level. Alright, you can see it's joined together, so I've gotten to this level. Alright, so I check on my my hand the level I want it to be. Alright, it's okay. So I have to remove some of it. Okay, so now I have to add my stopper to stop the bead because we are almost done. Alright, so we've put our stopper, so we turn the bead to the other side, the hook to the other side. Put our fishing line. We pass it through the stopper. Then we use a plier to knock it. So it's done. We are done. Make it look neat. Wow. Alright, so our bead is ready. Simple and very nice. You can see that, right? Very fine. Wow. Wow. That's nice. That's nice. Okay. So you can easily wear this on your hand. You can see that, right? Wow, my bead is ready. Very fine and nice on my hand. You can see that, right? Very simple and fine, right? Alright, so subscribe to my YouTube channel. You'll be learning more on how to make nice beads too. Alright, it has been a nice time with you guys. Okay, alright, have a nice day. Wow, my bead is ready. Very fine and nice on my hand. You can see that, right? Very simple and fine, right? Alright, so subscribe to my YouTube channel. You'll be learning more on how to make nice beads too. Alright, it has been a nice time with you guys. Okay, alright, have a nice day. Wow, 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 the bangles look so nice. And me, very simple and nice. It's left for me to flaunt my bangle. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I so much appreciate